Let's talk about sleep, baby. Okay, let's talk about sleep and insomnia as you reboot and rewire your brain back into the healthy mode. Sorry about the singing. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's answer that question for you. So, sleep can be an issue as you are rewiring your brain for the healthy pattern and unwiring the pattern that honestly becomes so fatigued from going back to the screen so often. So, what can we do about this? Brain training. That's why I'm here talking about what you can do. Brain training with the headband really can help. And in that headband app, there are actually sleep meditations to chill your brain out before you go to sleep so that it can go through the sleep cycle better. But if you don't want to get the headband, then you can engage in meditation or do something that brings the energy in your brain down naturally. So if you remember, going back for more and more pornography, basically what you're doing is you're stimulating and calming your brain artificially through neurotransmitter release. So if you stop doing that, your brain's going to be like, woo, what's going on? And the circadian rhythms that you have built for a long time through your habit have to change. Circadian rhythms is basically how your brain uses energy across a 24-hour time frame. So there's going to be some time with the unwiring and the rewiring, but if you add brain training, that time will be reduced because your brain will basically reset itself to healthy circadian rhythms in a faster time frame, and that can really help offset the insomnia. So you can start with meditation if you don't want to get the headband. If you're interested in doing brain training with the headband, reach out to me, Trish at drtrishleigh.com, because I have a link for a 15% discount for people who are working with me. I'm happy to give you the link. It takes it from $249 to $212, and there's no costs. You want to be working with me specifically, and there's no cost after that. So it's a really great resource if you have that in your budget to afford as you're rebooting your brain, because it can really help you out. The sleep meditations are pretty cool. I've been doing them myself in pandemic lifestyle with 5 children, and I find them to be really helpful. Okay, I hope that helps you out. And remember, control your brain or it will control you.